So we just drove from the Elephant Hill Trail down, and now we're at the Cave Spring Trailhead, and we're gonna take this short hike through here.
Look.
Is that what's in there?
Yeah. It's like an old cowboy camp.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
And it says that well, there's also rock paintings.
Okay.
So, and then
so it's 0.6 miles, same as that other one we did. So it's about 45 minutes.
There's ladders.
Ladders, like at Bandelier?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's go do the ladders.
All right, let's go check it out.
Off is rough terrain and 2 ladders.
All right. Well, to the left is where all the really cool stuff was at, right?
Let's do it.
You want to go this way?
Yeah, of course I do.
Let's go see the cool stuff. Trail brochure. And they're empty.
Oh, there's one in there.
Oh, there is. I didn't bring 50 cents, so I'm not gonna take it this time. Look at all the old tin cans out here rusting away. I would assume that's probably back from some cowboy days.
Yep, I would agree. Huh. How cool is that?
That is awesome.
I was not expecting this either.
Yeah, man. Yeah, a bunch of tin cans in there.
That's so neat. What a beautiful spot to hang out.
Very cool. Yeah. Well, that was really neat to see. Should be a couple more things around here to check out. There's a trail here because there's something over here in the rocks as well. Might be part of that camp. Let's see. There's a little bit of water coming out right there.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to walk around the face of the rock here. There's supposed to be a section with some paintings over here.
What's this thing?
No clue.
Like a storage container?
Maybe. Oh, look. Yep.
Looks like a trash can.
It's an old storage container. It's like some pack rat's been in there.
That's crazy.
Maybe the cowboys must have left it here. Oh, is this another little inlet of the rock here? It's cooler in here. Feels good.
In there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Feel how cool it is?
Yeah, drastically different.
Yeah. That's got to be like 10 degrees difference just standing right here from right outside in the next to the sun.
That's gotta be the spring.
Maybe this is it then. I was wrong before.
Well, I mean, that was water was up and coming out of it.
I just thought that was going to be it, but yeah, here's your cave spring. So we haven't quite made it to the painting yet. And this is why it's so cool up in here inside the rocks. Abby spotted these guys right here. Nothing indicates how old they are, though, if they're
Look at the handprints.
if they're legit.
How cool is that?
The plaque was saying that the cowboys used this area right here for like refuge out of the sun as another camp, and of course to get some water.
Too.
The Indians. Yeah, they got a bunch of info up here that you can read about it. So it goes on around this way. You see more of the water seeping out of the sandstone there. Everywhere you go underneath this rock is cool.
It's cooler, yeah. Feels so good.
It does. It feels really good. It's been pretty warm out there today. So the further you go up in here, the cooler it gets. Look at that. Wow, we made it to one of the ladders here. Wow.
You want me to just scaling up that thing?
I guess so. We just got to figure out where it goes once we get up there.
Don't look down.
I guess we just walk through this way. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It goes around this way. You did it.
Easy.
Not bad. All right, so just be real careful right here. Yep.
That's the correct way? Okay.
Yep. It's got to be. Looks like a trail. Yeah, here's the other ladder over here.
I'll go.
All right, you go ahead. I'll get Abby climbing this time. Uh-oh. Dropped a water bottle. Yeah, let me see if I can. I'll see if I can get it. All right, there's the rock that we just walked all around, where all the little hideaways were. Great view up here.
Great view.
This is where you come up through the ladders, right up there. And I did save the water bottle there, so we got it.
Bad.
It's okay. Stuff happens sometimes.
Yep.
All right. All right, we're gonna keep exploring this trail. So the second part of the trail is actually up here on the rock the whole time. Thankful for the trail markers, because that's the only way I know where to go.
Yep. Smarter, not harder.
This is a neat formation. See all the pack rat nests in here.
This is great.
Mm-hmm. That's really neat. You can see the, you know, all the layering of the sandstone there and how it breaks out. And I noticed on the trail they were using these bigger chunks like this just ahead there on the trail. That's cool, isn't it?
It's cool.
Now this has been a fun trail to walk. You get a lot of different levels there. Start off a little easy through all the brush, go up the ladders.
Were you impressed with the way that I scaled the ladders?
I think you did a great job scaling the ladder.
Except for my water bottle flying.
I saved you though.
You did.
Well, we are just about back at the parking lot. This has been a fun one. I like it.
Yep, me too.
All right, guys, this is probably going to be our last hike here in the Needles and in the park here. So we're at the Roadside Ruin Trail, and it looks like there's a sort of like a cliffside type structure built up in there.
I can't wait to see it.
It's 0.3 miles, 20-minute round trip.
Let's go do it.
So let's go do it. This is going to be our final hike, and after this we are headed back to the camp.
Yep. We're undecided about dinner tonight. We'll see.
Undecided. All right, well, I'll mention this since you brought it up. We were trying to decide on what to cook, and the only thing I got thought out is a whole chicken, because I was planning on doing some grilled chicken, pit barrel chicken. But tomorrow we're headed to Durango, so I think I'm going to save the chicken for tomorrow's dinner, and we're going to be by the river. It's going to be awesome.
We finally got him by the river. He
Yep.
has been complaining this
We're
entire
going to be
time.
camped right next to the river. So I'm going to do a pit barrel chicken tomorrow at Durango. And tonight, Abby's going to take me out to a fancy dinner.
Yes, I am. Is that what we're doing?
Fancy Italian dinner somewhere in town. There's some pizzeria place that she wants to try.
No carbs there.
It seems like it's always a pizza. Why is it always a pizza after this? I swear we eat
You
protein.
see this right here? This is all pizza.
And that's why we're out here. Hey, how many calories will I burn digesting this massive pizza? Oh, it must be up under that rock then, huh?
Oh, it is.
Is that where it's at?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Cool.
Ooh.
It said that was made by the
Pueblo
Indians approximately 700 years ago.
And they used it for storage and religious things, I think.
I think Abby's about had enough for today climbing.
I'm tired. I'm toast.
I think we're both tired. We've done quite a few steps today. We are almost there, almost done.
I've loved it though. Totally worth it.
Oh yeah, don't regret anything. Whew. Oh man, more uphill, more steps. Our hiking is just about done. There's the truck. Just finished the little loop here at the Roadside Ruins. That was definitely cool to see there. So, the adventure is almost over here at the Needles. We just left Canyonlands here, the Needles. Just want to finish out this video and give you our final thoughts. We had a great time.
Yes, we did.
We were doing the time here. We got in at 10. It's 3:30. So minus lunch and the visit at the visitor center, we've been out on the trails approximately 4 hours.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
Great.
We're real proud of what we got done
I
here.
thought the trails were really unique here with the amount of rock climbing that you have to do. Not climbing, but scaling.
Yeah.
It was great.
It's definitely a great place. So put this on your list, and especially if you like to do the trails and you like to hike. There is another 4x4 road here that we were planning on going down that they said they recommend 4-wheel drive and high clearance vehicles, and we were planning on doing that, but it's just getting late in the day and we're ready to get back to the camp, so we're not going to do that one. But there's a lot more here to see if you come. And I was going to mention this too. I brought 12 bottles of water, and we've gone through 10 of them because there was 2 left in the cooler there whenever I pulled out the last 2 for that last hike there. So don't forget to bring you a cooler full of water whenever you come, or some water jugs, whatever.
And it is 83 degrees out here today, and it's October. So just keep that in mind.
It is a little warm.
You come here.
I couldn't imagine doing this in the 100-degree temps though. It's got to be really hot and strenuous. So anyway, we really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed following our you know, our videos and our adventures and everything that we've been doing. Again, we always try to just show the true us, nothing scripted, nothing fake. This is our life. This is us enjoying ourselves and enjoying the outdoors and having fun, seeing new places, exploring new places, and especially the national parks here, just like here at Canyonlands.
Yeah, we are nerds for national parks. I think they know that now.
Yeah, we love them. We want to see them all. And
Moab really is one of the greatest places I've ever been.
We love Moab.
Yeah.
We want to come back here again.
Yes, we will be.
So, see you guys on the next adventure.